Good afternoon, wishing and respectable viewers. Today comes one iron. This iron is a short means where electricity comes. Now I show you with experiment. You can check after repair, and I tell you. Respectable viewers, this is series, this is checkpoint. Now I check here, you see, now here, you see, in body have a power. It means anybody touch here, too much danger for the especially children and ladies and innocent people. Now I repair it. I hope you carefully check this video and you try to understand where is a major fault. Now I open this iron fully, all side open, and check the which side is the cable, our wire is a touch with the body, and I want to try to separate positive and negative, and this iron again able to this for use. Now I open the back cover. Now you see, now I lose the screw and open the back cover, and now I check from here. Now I open the positive and negative, both the cable open, and I show you this major fault is a where occur. Now I open this to screw, loose it, and now I open the handle. This handle, now losing the screw and open it. Now I open the first of all this handle. Now you see, and I keep here. Okay, and now second cover, and this is a timer, and second one. Now this is weight. Every iron have a weight because without weight iron is very light, and this reason is this weight is very important, especially cotton and wool dress. Silky no problem, silky is no very light, no problem. But now I check finally where is it is a thermostat. Now I show you. Now I open from this place. I tell you it is a element. This is a thermostat, and this point here have a nickel or silver, you can see, but this area I clean with the sandpaper. I use here sandpaper like this and rub this area. Maybe this area is dirty area. Sometimes I use the falsa. You can see falsa is come. Now I rub and shining and remove the all dirty area. Weavers. Now you check this point. It's called the silver or nickel. This already shining. You see, all area clean. Now this area all clean. Now I hook this area accurate. Weavers. Now I close it. Now I put here weight like this, and close the all screw with. I show you. This is my experience. Maybe you get, viewers. This is my opinion for you, because if in your house your iron is out of order, you try and repair at home. No waste money, You not pay money in the electrician. Okay, by self you do try. One time, two time you do mistake. After you expect and you repair your iron at home. First, now I put here the steel cover, and after I put here a handle. You see handle. I also put handle here like this. And dear friend, now you check. This is our checkpoint. Now before I touch here and after you see, now you check. This is a positive and negative. I check here the body. You see, our bulb is low shine. It means now remove the fault. You see? No, now this is okay. Now you see left and right. I check you. Our bulb is shine. Dear friend, now and there is a fit. Now you see, okay, good position. Now my friends brought the tea for entertainment. I take tea and later discuss with you. Okay. Now you see this right side is a red cable touch with the positive side, and blue color is a left side is a on the negative. Okay, and here the light. This light show us the iron is working or not working like this, and show us. Please now I need your attendance. Before previous time I tell you here have a light. I check here and light come. Now you see our bulb is closed by off. No any power, no any short circuit, no anything. Our cable is correct. Viewers, now final checking. You see. Now I open this one. Now light will come. Okay. And now before a series, now touch with the direct put their shoe. Dear friend, now you see this checking light is shining. This is our final. Now I am successful. I hope you like this and share it and subscribe, and I hope on you fully and you enjoy and you learn something, and next time you repair your iron at home and save money.